everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an overnight rolled oats recipe. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to tell you the recipe. So first I have an almond milk. Next, some peanut butter. And I also have some bananas. And for my rolled oats, I use Australia Harvest, and it depends on you what brand you like. So first step is let's put the rolled oats in. So let's just be careful not to spill it. See. Just gonna put it in our jar. So yeah. So we need to get all of this in the jar. Okay, last bit. Okay. After that, we need to put on the bananas. Let's go put some bananas. Okay. So the bananas is already sliced into pieces. Oopsie. Next is we need some peanut butter. So we need some peanut butter. 1 scoop of this would be fine. Now let's scrape it all. See? Okay. Go. We need all of that peanut butter in. Okay. Next is, let's cover this up. Next is we need to put on our almond milk. So we need to fill in the box with, yep. So first let's shake it. So, oops, oh, just the water. Okay, that's enough. Now let's put it on our jar. So we need to be careful not to spill it. So I don't need to fill up the whole thing. And not the whole jar, but just to cover them up. So after that is we need to mix it. So yeah. So we just need to mix it. We need to mix everything. So yeah, we just need to mix it. So yeah. So we need to mix the peanut butter in. Okay. Wait. Let's skip everything. Okay, so after this, you need to put it in the wrap overnight and your recipe is done. So thank you guys for listening and also for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video and hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!